I picked up this tripod at a second-hand store for about €1, and I guess the reason why it was so cheap is because it's missing the little plate that is attached to the camera and then fits here. And the quality is really good, so I decided to try and build one myself made of wood. I have another tripod, and I'm gonna try and replicate the one that the other tripod is using. The only difference is that the size is a little bit different, but the idea behind should be the same. It's got a bevel that goes on the front side and on the back side, which will lock through this lock mechanism, and this is just flat here, so it shouldn't be that difficult to reproduce. We're gonna try. So the inside is a little bit more than 41 millimeters. I found this piece of MDF lying around in the shop, and I think this looks like the perfect height, and it's obviously too big, but I think I can work with this. I'm going to now recut the width of this block so that it will fit within those 41 millimeters that we've seen before. There is barely any play for the width. Now what we're going to do is cut the bevels front and back. The bevel I cut is, I thought was going to be 45 degrees, but it's actually, I decided to first try 30, and it fits really, really nice. Perfect. One last thing I need to do is cut this a little bit shorter so that it can fit here, but this is way too longer.